Follow the suggestion in this video to get the best out of my coffees.
Let us brew coffee from Yemen together. This is Hassan Al Amer from the Haras region. The variety is Yemen heirloom and the fermentation is an anaerobic natural. For more details on this coffee, please visit our webshop. To extract the best out of this coffee from Yemen, you need 300 grams of third wave water at 91 degrees Celsius in the kettle. Prepare 22 grams of coffee and grind on click 24 of your Comandante. To avoid any unwanted flavors, rinse the paper with hot brewing water. This also warms your V60. Now add the ground coffee and shake the filter for an even extraction. First pour. 60 grams of water over 7 seconds, rather fast circular pouring for the blooming phase to get all the coffee wet and to release the CO2 from the roast process. After 20 seconds, the second pour, 100 grams over 15 seconds in soft circular pouring to release all the fruity and sweet flavors of this coffee from Yemen. After 1 minute, the third and last pour of 140 grams over 15 seconds in yo-yo pouring for a rich and balanced body. Swirl at 1 minute and 20 seconds for an even extraction. The total brew time is 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Enjoy. Rose, chamomile, hibiscus, blood orange and cloves in the flavor.